My name is Dade Butler. I am the lead customer service agent with Page Optimizer Pro, and today we're going over how to edit within Visual Composer when using the Chrome extension. First, we're going to open up our preview window and then navigate back to our website's editor. Once we are here, we're then going to click to open the Chrome extension and then click to start. Once we have clicked to start, we will then need to specify how we are accessing the reports, either via the pop secret key or by logging in. I'm logged in, so I'm going to select I'm logged in. And then after that, we're going to need to select the specific page run that we are looking for. I'm looking for a page run under AI generated content on the bundle tours page. With the correct run selected, I then need to specify if I'm within the website editor for my page or if I am in Google Documents. I'm on the website editor, so I'm going to click to confirm that this is the correct page run, and then I'm going to click Start Now. It will then evaluate my page based on the content within it and then return to me with a score. We can see that my score is 2.36, so this page needs some work. Let's begin editing. First, we're going to edit the title of the page and go ahead and type AI generated content bar AI content. For that, we should now have an optimized title. And then from here, we're going to add a text block. And with our text block, let's begin working on the page title. Page title is looking at the heading 1 tag, so I'm going to select to type in heading 1 font. I'm going to type AI generated content, AI content. Move on to our subheadings. Typing in H2 font, going to type AI content and how it will change the world. Let's instead type something like AI content and how writing tools will change the world. Now that we have a subheading written, let's go ahead and write something inside of main content. Okay, we have a good idea of what we want to type after seeing our full list. AI software is making waves among those who have websites. It has also caused many to question their job security. With such duality at play, how can businesses approach this new and powerful tool? All right, I'm satisfied with what I've written. I'm going to click to exit editing this text block. Going to click this button, which will save the post. You can see that my content has been successfully saved. Then we're going to preview our changes. Then once that window has opened, we're then going to check optimization score. And we can see that my optimization score has increased significantly. With that, you know everything you need to know in order to edit inside of Visual Composer when using the Page Optimizer Pro Chrome extension. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and happy optimizing!